Have you ever thought about how the way you walk might be putting you at risk of falling? As we get older, small mistakes in our walking habits can lead to big problems, including trips, slips, and serious injuries. But the good news is that with a few simple changes, you can improve your balance and stay steady on your feet. In this video, we'll share the 5 best walking techniques to help prevent falls, tips that are easy to follow and can make a huge difference in your daily life. Make sure to watch until the end because tip number 4 is something most people don't even realize affects their balance. And in the last of the video, I will discuss some additional tips. Whether you're walking around the house, heading outside, or just trying to feel more stable on your feet, these techniques will help you move with confidence. You'll learn how small adjustments in your posture, step placement, and even footwear can help keep you safe. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practical advice on staying active and injury-free. And we want to hear from you. Have you ever had a close call or a fall because of the way you walk? Drop a comment below and share your experience. Your story might help someone else stay safe too. Number 1, mastering the heel-to-toe step for better walking. Walking may seem simple, but the way you step can affect your balance and stability. Many people make the mistake of shuffling their feet or placing their entire foot down at once. This can make walking unsteady and increase the risk of tripping. A better way to walk is by using the heel-to-toe step, which helps keep your movements smooth and controlled. The heel-to-toe step means that when you take a step, your heel should touch the ground first. After that, you should gently roll your foot forward until your toes touch the ground. This rolling motion allows your foot to absorb impact naturally and keeps your movement steady. It also prevents sudden or jerky steps that can make you lose balance. One of the biggest benefits of walking this way is that it keeps your momentum moving forward. When you shuffle or place your entire foot down at once, it can make your steps feel heavy and awkward. The heel-to-toe method helps create a natural rhythm, making walking feel smoother and more comfortable. This is especially helpful for people who have trouble with balance. Another advantage of the heel-to-toe step is that it provides a strong and stable base of support. Since your foot moves through a natural rolling motion, your body weight is distributed evenly, reducing strain on your joints. This can help prevent foot pain and make walking easier, especially for those who experience discomfort when moving. Practicing the heel-to-toe step can greatly improve your walking technique. It may take some time to get used to, but once it becomes a habit, you'll notice better balance, smoother steps, and reduced strain on your legs and feet. Whether walking indoors or outside, using this method can make a big difference in staying safe and comfortable. Number 2, maintaining proper posture while walking. Good posture is very important for walking safely and comfortably. Many older adults or people with mobility issues tend to lean forward or look down while walking. This can throw off their balance and increase the risk of falling. By keeping proper posture, you can improve stability and reduce strain on your body. One of the best ways to maintain balance is to keep your head up. Looking down at your feet may seem helpful, but it actually shifts your weight forward, making you unsteady. Instead, keep your gaze forward and focus on what's ahead of you. This helps you stay aware of your surroundings while also keeping your body in a natural walking position. Your shoulders should also be positioned correctly. Some people hunch forward without realizing it, which can make walking more difficult. Try to keep your shoulders back and relaxed. This helps open up your chest, making breathing easier and improving your overall posture. Good shoulder positioning also prevents back and neck pain. An easy way to remember good posture is to imagine a string pulling you upward from the top of your head. This mental image encourages you to stand tall without stiffening your body. Keeping your spine straight and your weight evenly distributed will help you move with better control and confidence. By practicing proper posture every day, you can walk more safely and comfortably. It reduces strain on your back, improves balance, and helps prevent falls. Whether you're indoors or outside, always remind yourself to keep your head up, shoulders back, and body upright for the best walking experience. Number 3, taking short and controlled steps for better balance. Walking safely is not just about moving forward, it's also about how you step. Many people try to take big steps, thinking it will help them move faster. However, overreaching with your steps can actually make you lose balance and increase the risk of tripping. That's why it's important to take short and controlled steps when walking. Keeping your steps short helps you stay steady and in control. When you take big steps, your body has to work harder to keep balance, which can be risky, especially for older adults or those with mobility issues. Short steps allow you to adjust your movements quickly if needed, reducing the chances of falling. Another key factor in safe walking is keeping your feet about shoulder width apart. This stance gives you a strong and stable base, making it easier to maintain balance. If your feet are too close together, you might feel wobbly, and if they are too far apart, it can make walking uncomfortable. Finding the right distance helps you walk with confidence. It's also helpful to focus on each step as you walk. Rushing or dragging your feet can lead to accidents, especially on uneven or slippery surfaces. Try to lift your feet slightly with each step and place them down gently. Walking in a controlled manner ensures that you stay safe and avoid unnecessary strain on your legs and joints. By practicing short, controlled steps, you can improve your balance and make walking safer and more comfortable. This simple habit helps prevent trips and falls while allowing you to move smoothly. Whether you are walking indoors or outside, being mindful of your steps can make a big difference in staying steady and confident. Number 4, choosing the right footwear for safe walking. Wearing the right shoes is very important for walking safely. Many people don't realize that their footwear can affect their balance and stability. The wrong shoes can make it easier to slip, trip, or hurt your feet. That's why choosing proper footwear is essential, especially for older adults or those with mobility issues. One common mistake is wearing loose slippers or shoes that don't fit well. If your shoes are too big or don't have a secure grip on your feet, they can slide off while you walk, increasing the risk of falls. High heels are also not a good choice because they can throw off your balance and make walking difficult. Similarly, worn-out shoes with thin or damaged soles may not provide enough support and can cause discomfort or accidents. Instead, it is best to wear well-fitted shoes that offer good support. Look for shoes that have cushioned insoles and a firm grip around your feet. Non-slip soles are especially important because they help prevent slipping on smooth or wet surfaces. Shoes with a strong and stable base make walking easier and safer. If you have foot pain or balance problems, you may benefit from orthotic inserts. These special insoles provide extra support and comfort for your feet. They can help improve stability and reduce pressure on certain areas, making walking more comfortable. A doctor or podiatrist can help you choose the right type of insert for your needs. Taking the time to wear the right footwear can greatly improve your safety and comfort. Good shoes help protect your feet, prevent falls, and make walking easier. By choosing supportive, well-fitted shoes with non-slip soles, you can stay active and move around with confidence. Number 5. Using assistive devices the right way. Many people use assistive devices like canes and walkers to help them move around safely. However, using them incorrectly can cause more harm than good. If a device is not set up properly, it may not provide the right support, leading to discomfort or even accidents. That's why it is important to learn how to use these tools correctly. One of the most important things to check is the height of your cane or walker. If the device is too high or too low, it can put strain on your body and make walking harder. A properly adjusted cane should allow your elbow to bend slightly when you hold it. This position provides balance and comfort while walking. If the cane is too tall, it will be difficult to use, and if it is too short, you may have to bend too much, which can hurt your back. Walkers also need to be adjusted correctly for safe use. When using a walker, always move it forward first before taking a step. Some people make the mistake of pulling the walker behind them, which can be dangerous. Instead, you should step into the walker after moving it forward. This way, it provides proper support and helps prevent falls. It is also important to use the right type of assistive device for your needs. Canes are best for people who need slight support, while walkers provide more stability for those with balance issues. If you are unsure about what kind of device to use or how to adjust it, ask a doctor or physical therapist for help. They can guide you in choosing the best option for your condition. Using a cane or walker correctly can make a big difference in your daily life. It helps you move with confidence, reduces the risk of falls, and prevents unnecessary strain on your body. By taking the time to adjust and use your device properly, you can stay active and independent for longer. Now, let's get straight into some additional tips. Be mindful of walking surfaces. Uneven sidewalks, rugs, or slippery floors can be dangerous hazards. Remove loose rugs, add handrails, and use non-slip mats in high-risk areas like bathrooms. Practice strength and balance exercises. Simple routines like standing on one foot, walking heel to toe, or gentle squats can strengthen the muscles that help with balance. Tai Chi and yoga are also excellent choices. Stay hydrated and eat. 1. Dehydration can cause dizziness, while poor nutrition can lead to weakness. Drink enough water and consume a diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Regular eye checkups. Poor eyesight makes obstacles harder to spot, leading to missteps. Ensure your prescription is up to date and check for conditions like cataracts or glaucoma. Be cautious in bad weather. Rain, ice, or strong winds can make walking treacherous. Wear proper footwear, use a cane with an ice tip if needed, and take smaller steps to maintain balance. By following these 5 walking techniques and additional fall prevention tips, you'll gain confidence in your steps and reduce your risk of injury. Life after 65 isn't about slowing down. It's about moving smartly and safely. Share this knowledge with loved ones who might also benefit, and let's keep walking strong together.